A man was shot dead in Gordon White House, Westmoreland on Saturday night. The identity of the deceased is not yet known. This murder brings to 3 the number of persons shot and killed in the parish in less than 24 hours. More details to come. 2 men were shot dead in separate incidents in Westmoreland on Saturday morning as criminals continue to wreak havoc in the parish. One of the deceased men has been identified as 54-year-old Omar James, the fruit vendor of St. James. The second victim has only been identified by his alias Rasta. Reports from the Savannah Mar police said at about 6:10 a.m., James was unloading fruits from his motor vehicle when a motorcycle drove up with 2 men aboard. One of the men then approached James and opened gunfire, hitting him in the head. The men then drove off on the same motorcycle. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, James was seen lying along the roadway in a pool of blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. An investigation has been launched after the 12-year-old nephew of a policewoman was found shot to death in Snake Hill District in Point Hill, St. Catherine on Saturday. The child, identified as Omarco Brown, a student of Jonathan High School, was with his mother at their home where the cop was visiting. Reports reaching Observer Online indicated that the cop, a constable, went to the home and the mother was combing her hair outside. A loud explosion was heard inside, and upon investigating, the child was seen lying on the floor beside a bed with a gunshot wound to the head. The cop's service firearm was found in her handbag on the bed beside him. The firearm's muzzle was turned upwards. The authorities were called and the scene processed.